Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having a good day today. It is Sunday, it is cold outside, it's 31 degrees right now. It was 11 during the night, and today I'm doing something I haven't done for a while. I'm at a used car dealer parking lot, and I'm gonna go look what cars they have, what they offer, how expensive they are. A long time ago I used to follow a couple YouTube channels with guys that did this a lot, and I really enjoyed it, and that gave me the idea to do the same. And one of my first videos my very first video actually is me looking at a used Mercury Grand Marquis. Go ahead and look at it. So I'm back at it. I'm doing it now. These guys changed locations. I am neutral on them. I don't know if they're good or bad. I don't know anything about them. I'm just caring about their cars they offer, and I will look at them. I'll let you know what I think. And if this dealership is watching me in my channel, they are welcome to leave a comment. And yeah, if they want me to come back, even look inside the interior of the cars, I can do that as well. But of course I doubt that will happen. Anyways, let's hop out and look at some vehicles. I'll let my truck run since it's a diesel, and I just want to let it run today, and it's kind of a quiet place here. I don't know, nobody should take anything, but I can also lock it while it's running. See, there you go, locked. I got my key in my pocket. So let's start right here. We got here that Ranger there. I'm not sure that's for sale, but this truck here looks like it is. What do we do here? It's an F-150 XLT, and mileage 107,000. That's about 30,000 less than mine. It's a V6 EcoBoost twin turbo, pretty good engine. And what they want for it, 28,000. Well, I gotta tell you, that's more than what I paid. And to compare it with, the engine is good, you know, like my powerstroke, but this is only an XLT, so it's kind of a naked one. You can tell when you look in here, it has beige cloth seats, not very attractive. Has aftermarket running boards, aftermarket wheels. It looks like a clean truck though. Just for someone who doesn't need all the options and extras, this probably would be a good thing. It has a spray-in liner. I think that's good. It's not too interesting for the channel, I think. There's a lariat right here. Look at these wheels there. They look good. I like the wheels. Like the grille. That's the sport appearance package there, I believe. Mine has the chrome package. It has the LED lights, just like I do have them. Wow, it is full of swirl marks. Looks terrible. Needs to be detailed. 28,972 for this one, with 121 miles. So that's not cheap. Mine has a lot of swirl marks too, but I know that, and I bought it for cheaper too, so good. Today's special here, nice Jeep. Look at those lights. They are very, very faded and yellowed. It's kind of disappointing. 45,000 miles only, $34,000, and it's yours. I like Jeeps. I'm not a Jeep fan, but I like them. One thing I noticed is most of those trucks here have aftermarket wheels. That one doesn't. That one on this Jeep has them. Why is that? You ever notice that? When you look at vehicles that they have aftermarket wheels, it's interesting. I don't know why, but they do. There's the police truck there, but he's not coming in here. Which reminds me of another YouTuber, and you probably know who it is, who stopped going through parking lots because he got in trouble with, I think, the security or the police or something. There's a Nissan Leaf here. Not my cup of tea, but nice wheels on that one. They are aftermarket ones too, I believe. Interesting. Nissan Leaf is okay, I guess. $11,000, 60,000 miles. That sounds like a fair deal. Yeah. Tesla, it should be something for me. But there's a Model 3 here. Let me guess, 22. I think it's the newer one. It doesn't have chrome. So at least the 22. Let's see what it is. Yeah, 22 Model 3, and this is the long range, since it does not have the spoiler, so I know it's not a performance. Yeah, Tesla's pretty good deal if you buy them used. Like, look at that, 26,000 miles, 30 at a little bit over $38,000 dollars. That's a good deal for a Tesla, you know, it really is. So if you want to know more about Tesla, my opinion, just check my channel and my videos. I like all kinds of vehicles, you know. I like electric vehicles too. Now this is more econo boxes here, not really that interesting. Let's see, there's an Audi here, all-wheel drive. It's an A3, which the A3 is kind of like an, you know, I think it's the smallest one that you can get here in the US, so not really what I like. It needs to be at least an A4 for me, but it's the S-Line and some carbon fiber here that's very faded carbon fiber. The wheels are very curved. Look at that, that's terrible. That's really bad. I mean, this is not, it's kind of sad that it's in such bad shape. 19,000 for it, and I can't see the mileage. Yeah, it's probably a good thing. Ford Fiesta ST. Here we go. Kia Soul in a GT line. GT line, what is that? Is that like a sportier line? Well, looks alright. If I wanted a small vehicle like that, it looks alright. Doesn't look bad. Subaru, they're good cars. I'm not excited over them, but good cars. C-Max has always been a little bit of a boring vehicle. Tiny Mercedes here, an A-Class, I would say. Let's see, 103,000 miles is a GLA, so that's the SUV version of the A-Class. It's even worse. 4-cylinder turbo, 103,000 for $17,000. I don't know. Would you buy that? I think you want a small vehicle. It's not bad, but not something to get excited over. This is not what you understand on a Mercedes or luxury vehicle. Look at that, leather is not real leather, tell you that. I'd rather buy this Subaru here. I think that's the Ascent. Let me go look. Yeah, it's the Ascent. And the Ascent is a pretty good vehicle, SUV. Nothing exciting, but pretty good. BMW, that must be a small one. That's tiny, that thing. I think that's the SUV version of the one. So it must be the X1. Let's see what it is. Yeah, it's the X1. X always means it's an SUV, so this is the SUV version of the BMW. I'm talking terrible. The BMW, the 1 Series. You know, if you speak a lot of languages, you say it words different, and since BMW is German, in German is BMW, also that's why I said that. Anyways, Ford Escape, it's all right. And the heck is this dirty thing here? There's a Hyundai, it's really dirty. Look at that. So I can only tell every used car dealership, wash your vehicles, and that makes such a big difference. Here's a 4 Series BMW, good looking vehicle, probably like 2016, 17. Good looking vehicle, I like it. Let's see what it says on here. Yeah, it's a 15, 70,000 miles, $18,000. Good price for an expensive vehicle, but who knows how reliable it is. BMW is not known to be the most reliable. Ford Mustang here. And the looks, I would say, probably an EcoBoost. But nice clean Mustang. I think you can't go wrong with these, to be honest. Yeah, 4-cylinder EcoBoost, 2.3 liters, 44,000 miles and $23,000. You know, if you want a daily driver that's reliable, looks sporty, this is not a bad deal. I like Mustangs, and I think even the EcoBoost doesn't sound as good, but it's pretty reliable, good engine. This one here looks to me like a V6. I'll look at the wheels too. Kelly tires on it. Pretty dirty. Look at that. Alright, let's see. Getting cold now. 14 V6, yeah, 2014 V6, 105,000 miles, 12,000. To be very honest with you, the V6 back then, I didn't like it as much, so I would rather do the newer model as an EcoBoost than this one as V6. This one I would do as a V8. Look at this. That is so oxidized, can't even get it clean. Wonder what happened. So, pretty steep price for as bad as in a shape it is. And like always with all of these cars here, we don't know, I don't know, you don't know if they have a clean Carfax, if they have been in an accident. So take that under consideration, of course, if you decide if the prices are good or bad. And like I said, I don't know these guys. I don't want to talk bad about anyone. They all deserve to do good business, and I always assume the best, so I hope those cars are in a good shape and they're working well. That was it. It's getting really cold now. I'm gonna go back in my truck here, and yeah, when I bought mine had been detailed, mine was clean, and man, it looked good. And I like that mine had the original lariat wheels still on it, the 20-inch wheels. I don't hate aftermarket ones like these two guys have them on, but something tells me, I don't know, it always looks like modified or some trying to hide something. Like, look at that, new tires, new wheels on both of them, on all three of them. It's almost like you try hard to make them look a little bit better than they are. Maybe it's because it's an XLT, I don't know. Maybe they are not in bad shape either, since there's a lot more rubber on truck tires, so you can't hit the curb as much. Anyways guys, I hope you like this. We'll go to a different place next time and see what we find, and if we find something a little more exciting than this was not bad though. Sadly, nothing here that I would buy. If I had to buy 3 cars, what would it be? If I had to buy 3 cars, let's see. If I go by something that's useful that I would drive and price-wise not too bad, I would buy the EcoBoost Mustang as a daily driver. I think that would probably be a good vehicle. I would maybe drive that Tesla here. I mean, it's a boring Model 3 in white, not cool, but as a daily driver, you know, Teslas last a long time. There's no repairs, no maintenance, not a bad deal for the price. And if I'm not afraid of upcoming repairs, maybe this BMW here, but who knows. I know if I want a reliable family vehicle, I should probably buy something different. If I had to pick from this lot, maybe that Subaru Ascent would be the one to pick. So what do you guys think? You have any ideas? Let me know what you think, and we'll discuss it in the comments. I also want to say thank you again for all of you watching. I noticed I got a lot more subscribers in the last couple of weeks. I didn't buy any, so they all came on their own, but I'm glad that they haven't. I see a little bit of an increase of comments, but not enough, so we need more comments, need more people commenting and talking. That would be great. But I'm still very grateful that I have more subscribers. I mean, that's a good thing. Now, one short note here before I'm out for today. People always think that the more subscribers you have, the more money you make, the more revenue you get on your channel. That's definitely not true. So I got a lot more subscribers all of a sudden, but my revenue is really low. So, and you probably know that, because I'm no way a Dr. Muro or someone, a big car YouTuber. So my revenue has always been low, but it's still pretty low, even I got more subscribers. So that depends on where the subscribers come from, and it depends on how long they watch your videos. The longer they watch, the more ads show up, and the more money YouTube gets, and the more money the YouTuber gets, you know, because it's split. Also, if people from a third world country watch, I don't want to name any, but you know, third world countries, so then you get a lot less money. For example, someone watches from Pakistan or from Afghanistan or from India, YouTube plus the YouTuber get a lot less money. Someone watches from the UK, from the United States or Germany, all of us get a lot more money. So that's how it works, the YouTube game. Is it worth it to make money and make a living? No, I don't think so. But is it worth it to do it for fun, just like I do it? Yeah, I think it's worth it, and there's nothing bad about it. Alright guys, have a wonderful Sunday, and talk to you soon. Hey, please subscribe.